I come from Australia, and I chose Thailand after a lot of research on the internet. I'd been to Thailand before, but it was a fairly serious decision, and what I was looking for was a health system. So I weighed up a lot of countries that we were going to go to, and I don't think a lot of people are aware that Thailand has recently just been voted 6th best health system in the world. Of course, cost was important, but I wanted to know that I was going to be treated well when I came somewhere. So yeah, that was one of the reasons I chose Thailand. All right, so like everyone, Dr. Google. So I Googled gastric sleeve surgery, I think it was, and a lot of people came up. But rather than just choose a clinic based on price or any of those things, just like I would in Australia, I want to know who's going to do my surgery. So I certainly researched those clinics in depth, but I looked at the surgeons that they actually put up, and one particular surgeon came up a couple of times and incredibly experienced and very well trained, world renowned, and Ratinan actually had that surgeon doing there. And I guess for me, I realised that he was at the forefront of gastric sleeve, so I'd sort of kind of circled him and a couple of other surgeons and said, okay, that's the surgeons that I need. So that led me then to Ratinan, and I just looked in at what the service was available, and I think the thing that secured it for me was that you guys then had a total end-to-end service. The surgery is expensive in Australia. And in a lot of Western countries, right? It just is. So certainly it was factored in, but I think also too, if you concentrate too much on price, once you've decided where you're going to go and who's going to do it, I think you can get a bit caught out. So the service here at Ratinan included pickups from the airports in a limo, transfers to the hospital in a limo when you're at your most nervous, a pickup from the hospital again in a limo, follow-ups. It also included, so it had 4 nights hospital stay instead of a lot of the others only offered 2, and also 4 nights accommodation, or 3 or 4 nights accommodation at a hotel nearby. So it was packaged up perfectly, and a drop-off to the airport. So we didn't have to worry, didn't have to think about anything apart from what was getting done. Everyone's going to have nerves, concerns, all of those things. You're travelling to a foreign country to have surgery. So yes, of course, there's going to be nerves. Absolutely, and it's only right that you do.